Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, I/O board, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully separate the upper hinge cover from the lower hinge cover. Using the non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the display bezel from the adhesive and retention clips on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Apply pressure to the edges of the display bezel to snap it into place. Apply pressure to the upper and lower hinge covers to snap them together.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.